Okay, so what we got here is an Aston Martin DB11 2020. So this is now installed with the Ghost 2 Immobiliser system. If you try and start the vehicle without the code, it will turn on. When you got to put it into gear, vehicle will shut down. You can't drive it without the code. So when you turn it on, you enter your code. So it's set to a demo button at the moment. So you go set to 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 2 flashes from the high beams. And now I can put it into gear. Car does not shut down. If you want your Aston Martin protected with the Ghost 2, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.